The 2007 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, power steering, cruise control, fog lamps, trip odometer, dual beam Joule effect headlamps, airbags, front stabilizer bar, power seats, electrochromic rear view mirror, tilt steering wheel, driver and passenger grab handles, front passenger side roof ride handle, rear seating roof ride handles, power sliding rear window, body color bumpers, 4-piece floor mat set. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.